go with another episode of Big Truck Walk Around. Today we're going to take a look at a 2019 F450. We got her inside lined up with all the other big Ford Super Duty trucks. Now we're going to do a good comprehensive look at the vehicle for the customer. We're going to look at the tires. We'll see we've got really good tread on the front tires. We're just going to do close walk around all sides, make sure we get a good idea of the condition of the vehicle. Now if I see any like big dings, scratches or anything like that on the vehicle, that's going to concern me. I'll mention it. A little bird poop on there, that never hurt nobody. We got a aluminum bed cover, which is nice. It looks like that's a back flip bed cover. Who makes it? Oh, looks like it's a Ford bed cover. That's really nice. We'll go along the other way. Oh, we gotta do the tires. Rear tires looking. Customer said he didn't want to have to put new tires on there, so rear tires looking really good on that side. And again, pretty good on the rear on that side. We'll do another walk around. A little tiny scratch there. You don't know if you'll be able to see it in the video, but a little bit of a scratch right there on the flare. Nothing crazy. Front tire in fantastic shape. This truck is clean. Truck is clean. It's got 61,000 miles on it, I think. I like to get in the back first so I can pop up to one of these guys like this and then do the loop around. Give her a smell test. It does not smell like smoke in here. That's a big plus. Big plus. Seats are in great shape. 61. Does the cold start? Fire it up. No check engine lights. That's exactly how we like it. Sound good? Smooth? Clean. Buttery smooth. You know what? Fuck it. Let's pop the hood. We're gonna do it. We got to. Something about a big diesel truck, it's just very satisfying, especially a red one. I love red ones. There it is.